Okay, so let's finish today with the diagram completion, or we can say as diagram labeling. So the thing is, the first, what is that diagram labeling? It means locating information in the passage and relating information to the diagram, choosing appropriate words. The tips is, or how you can just complete your diagram, is identify the type of word needed for each part of the flow chart. Find information in the passage. The information is usually located in one specific or two in the passage. Check how many words you can use for the answer. Check the number of words that can be used for each answer. Answers do not always come in order, but sometimes may be in order. But আমরা কি জেনেছি যে diagram labeling and হচ্ছে আপনার list of headings, এগুলো আপনার word order follow করে না. You have to find according to passage reading. So this is an example of a diagram labeling. যে আপনার, you will get a picture and there will be some sort of filling the blanks according to different parts of that machine here. So আপনাকে এই parts গুলোর নেম গুলো প্যাসেজ থেকে পড়ে বের করতে হবে যে এগুলোর নেম কি দেওয়া আছে। যে this is the thing is taken out enabling wheel to rotate, এটা কোন parts কে, এটার নামটা কি। So these are all sorts of labeling process. আর labeling বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? The thing is, labeling means naming. Labeling means naming. Okay? So this is all about diagram labeling.